Somebody mentioned birds. Thaibirdspot. So today we're at Man-nai Island, or Koh Man-nai in Rayong, for a couple of pretty special birds. And so, what's this one? Yep, you got it. This is the blue-winged pitta. The blue-winged pitta is a breeding wet season visitor to Thailand. And this one was just taking a break on an island before heading further inland. Koh Man-nai is a fantastic place to see migratory birds as they pass through before reaching the land and heading further north to their breeding grounds. But just look at this bird, will you? Look at those colours, absolutely fantastic. It may well be one of the easier pittas to find in Thailand, but you know, it certainly doesn't disappoint, does it? During the wet season and the breeding season, this bird can be found around national parks, gardens and even city parks. Its distinct call is often heard first thing or early in the morning, so if you want to find the bird, learn the sound. Anyway, I reckon that's enough of me, so sit back and just take in the magnificence of this wonderful bird. Radio, that's enough for now. Another little video, this time on the blue-winged pitta. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do the usual. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. And don't forget, if anyone wants to join me on any little trips, just drop me a line at Thaibirdspot66@gmail.com. Bye for now.